Discover the AI Bible study on the 28 fundamental beliefs, a guided, bilingual walkthrough in Tongan and English. Start by opening the Bible study website, then choose your language. Select bilingual to see every explanation in Tongan and English, side by side. Scroll down to the dashboard. Here are all 28 fundamental beliefs. Pick a topic. Let's begin with belief number 2, the Trinity.
I still stand by your amazing grace.
The page opens with a full explanation of the doctrine. Read it in Tongan first, then press Read English to hear the explanation aloud.
Step I take, Lord, you're leading me. Your healing hand is setting
Right
my
below, you'll find the
spirit
supporting Bible verses. Tap the play button next to any verse to hear it read aloud in either language.
not in defeat. It's in humble praise before your feet.
Keep scrolling to the guided leading questions, 10 or 11 thoughtful prompts designed to take your study even deeper.
To rise again. I bend my knee to the one who
Click any question, and it's instantly sent to the AI Bible Study Assistant, which begins forming a thoughtful, scripture-based answer.
says, I walk by faith. I'm marching.
You can select another question anytime. Here, question number 2 is sent automatically to the AI for a fresh answer.
I still stand because you stand.
The assistant replies first in Tongan, reading the answer aloud so you can listen while you follow along on screen.
Set me free. Oh, yeah. You restore
The Tongan response continues, expanding with relevant explanation and scripture references to support the answer.
night into a brighter dawn. Every scar becomes a test.
Next comes the English reply. Press Read English, then stop whenever you're ready to move on.
Keeps covering me. If I stumble, you lift me.
When you're finished, use the buttons below to return to the questions or back to the full list of beliefs, and keep studying.
Your promises are never still. I'm standing, walking, praising, singing. Every breath your glory bringing.
Start your own AI Bible study today in Tongan and English at tongamarket.com.